Hi there, folks. Once again, it's time for another episode of Tales from Beer Virgin. This is where I try different beer or alcoholic drink because, and let's face it, I have not tried a lot in my life. Really. Okay, so today up, we got Orange Blossom Pilsner. So, what do I know about Pilsners? That's a good question. Now, before we get too far, I should mention that Orange Blossom Pilsner, Florida's honey beer, so it's locally made, is made by Thomas Creek Brewery. They're in Greenville, South Carolina. Okay, so, but their corporation headquarters is in Orlando, Florida. Yeah, okay. Continuing on. So, anyway, Pilsner. The whole point of the Pilsner is that it's a lighter kind of beer. So, you've got beers that are made out of a lot of hops, for example. They have a very intense taste. This is supposed to be a lighter taste to it. So, we'll see how this goes. In this case, it's also made out of orange blossom honey. Now, those of you who've figured out my drinking taste know that I prefer an alcohol with a little bit of sweetness to it. Not a lot. I don't need a ton, but just enough to get over that bitter flavor of the hops. But because it's a Pilsner, a paler ale, if you will, let's see if it's overpowered by the orange blossom honey. So, here we go. Open this up with my trusty opener. All right. Okay. It still has that same kind of alcoholic smell I've associated with other beers. Let's pour this in. Now, it's probably hard to see in the green cup. I couldn't find one of my clear ones. But the color, you can see from me pouring, very, very light yellow. That's it for some. I can smell that orangeness to it, though. Okay. Here we go. I may like this. A lot of times, other beers I've had, they've had a really intense alcohol taste to them. And this, I can smell the alcohol for certain. But when I drink it, yeah, even holding this on my tongue, I can barely taste it. It doesn't really have a strong taste to it, but it's actually kind of light, a little bit refreshing. I mean, I can see myself drinking this on a hot day and going, I'm thirsty. I'm going to actually have some orange blossom beer. Then I'll feel less thirsty. Yeah, I think this is fine. Is it something that I like? No. It's something that I can drink without a problem. Now, something I like, it's like a framboise. That was those raspberry Belgian beers. It's got a stronger flavor to it. So, ironically, this lighter flavor works better as far as refreshment, and it doesn't exactly give me that bah flavor. But at the same time, it doesn't exactly leave a really strong impression. Maybe I do know they make one out there that's got like a double strength on the orange blossom honey. So maybe I'll try that next time. So that's it for this time. Cheers. Yeah, so good.